Sheela, what would be your best advice to help people to improve their ability to think based on your own life experience and your own way of thinking?
Have courage to go alone with your dream. What do I mean by that? I say, don't get involved with unnecessary traditions. Don't feel down or hurt when people talk nonsense about you, or don't engage in coffee clutch. Don't judge. By not judging, you maintain yourself open. And the openness of heart will always make you fresh. It will bring freshness to your being, your body, your way of thinking. And you don't have to pick petty fights or arguments to prove your point. If you have a point, it will prove itself. One doesn't have to argue about it.